Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's morning, but it's very cloudy, so I had to switch on the light. Anyway, today is another exciting day. So the first thing that I'm getting done today, as you can see, I washed my hair. Is I'm getting a haircut. So I'm really excited for that. I will take you guys along with me, of course. Then I need to go and do some clothing ka shopping because my birthday is coming. I have clothes, but let's see if I find something then. And I also have to go to DMart, but honestly I'm really scared to go because I've never gone there in like 2 years, and it's so crowded, and people don't understand. So I'm really scared. I'll see if it's not very crowded, then I'll go, but if it's crowded, I am not keeping my leg in. Also, I need to ask for my phone because I'll insert a picture right here. My phone is completely damaged. The back panel is damaged, so I need to get that repaired. So I need to go to a shop and ask for the cost and everything. So that is what is going to happen today. I also ran a few errands a few days back, so let's watch that first. I'm gonna go out right now, and I have some footwear which is broken, so I need to give that for repair. I need to ask for my phone which is broken. So to get that repaired, I have to buy a pound from outside, and then I have to go collect lunch. So yeah, let's get started. These are the two bags that I have. This is all my chappal, and here is my wallet and everything. So yeah, we're gonna go now. अंकल पाव चाहिए 8 पाव चार चार साथ में देना हाँ This is the comfiest hairstyle ever. Comment down below if you agree. I am home. Got my shoes fixed as you guys saw. Then got the food. Phone का तो हुआ नहीं. And I had to buy pav, so got that. अभी phone का देखते हैं if I get it done somewhere else or something like that. But yeah, at least some part of it was a success. Okay, so that was it, and now let's get started. Let's go for a haircut. Haircut didn't work out, so let's go to DMart only first. It's raining. So I'm finally back home. I'm really tired. Sorry for the noise. The fan is on. But anyway, I got a haircut and I'm super happy. So usually I get done layers in my hair, but this time I just was like, I don't need layers. I've been doing them for years and now I just don't like them as much. So I just went with a slight U and a straight cut down towards the ends. I trimmed them and just told her to cut it straight. She told she'll take a little bit of U so it looks good in shape. And I just got done flicks aage, which is, I'm sorry if I'm seeing here, but this is where I got done my flicks. My hair is very frizzy, but like yeah, itne hai. Sorry for this weird angle, but yeah, like these are my flicks. That is it. Otherwise I just kept my hair very straight, as you can see right here. I didn't want to be too dramatic, and I cut my hair just a few days before my birthday. Is because I just want them to grow and like set in after the cut and not have like a fresh cut. And even this blow dry is also like, I don't want a blow dry for my birthday because it makes my hair really frizzy. So I'm gonna straighten my hair, of course. So before that I just wanted it to settle in. I did manage to get my phone ka repair got done. I didn't vlog that, but he told he'll do it for 650, so that's great. He said he'll either call me if it comes tonight, or I'm gonna call him tomorrow. any which ways, I'm gonna get that done, which is really really good. I got it for the cheapest, I think anyone has told me. And what else? Yeah, I went to DMart, and I will show you guys what all I bought from there. But right now I'm just gonna have my lunch. I'm gonna chill for a while, and I will show you guys later on. Hi guys, I am back home. Actually, it was one of my friend's birthday, so I went there and I got back home and I'm so tired. I am not in a state to even move from this place and sit on my bed and do anything. I am so tired. I overate like crazy. But anyways, I will show you guys what all I got. And I also got one dress which I will wear for my birthday. I don't know when I will wear it, like when. I mean, I don't think I'll wear it on my birthday as such. Maybe I will, I don't know, we'll see. But I'll show you guys everything that I got. Let me show you the dress only first. It's like a plain black and white simple checkered dress. So this is what I got. I really liked it. It's like a very classic black and white dress. Like, this is how it is with these spaghetti straps. Really really like it. I got it from a local store, but it says it's from H&M. So yeah, whatever it is, I got this for 300, which I think it's a really really good purchase. It's a very classic and staple piece. I can wear it anywhere, like casual or like party wear or something like that, paired with white shoes. Very classic, really liked it. Next thing, I'll show you what all I got from DMart. I got very like random essential items only, nothing crazy as such. First off, if you know me, you know I love these. These are the only Pringles that I love. These are the Desi Masala Tadka flavor. So I got 2 of these. One of it I already opened and I ate it in the evening. So I got 2 of these. Next up, I got these. ये भी open हो गया है. So these are the toothbrushes. These are Colgate Slim Soft Charcoal toothbrushes. I'm gonna start using one of it, and I'm gonna take this blue purplish color this time because I always end up taking green for some reason. I don't know why. Next thing I got, again very random spice. So this is the Snap-in chili flakes. Normally chili flakes जो होता है वो लिया. Next up, face wash restock. I got the Himalaya Purifying Neem face wash, another classic. I got this because honestly I don't have money to splurge on face washes. You guys saw Nykaa I bought so much. I again have to spend on my birthday, तो अभी नहीं है पैसा. That is why I got this one. But yeah, I've been really enjoying this. I've been using this one after years. Mind you, when I say years and years, definitely like I haven't used this one in, I would say, like 10 years. That is how long I've gone without this. But yeah, this is the classic. I really really like it. I already used one bottle of it. Now I'm using the simple face wash, which I'm halfway done, so I thought I will get this one. Next up, another shampoo restock. So this is the Head and Shoulders Smooth and Silky. I really really like this one because it really keeps my dandruff at bay. It's not got rid of my dandruff, I cannot say that. It has definitely reduced my dandruff. It has reduced the itchiness. Like before, like this is the only shampoo that has actually worked on my dandruff, because I've used a lot of shampoos and my scalp gets itchy and irritated like in a day or 2, which is so bad. But since I'm using this, I can literally go 4 and 5 days. I can stretch it. It does get itchy on the 4th and 5th day, but I can manage. While using other shampoos, in 2 to 3 days it was so itchy and I was so frustrated that I could not carry it also till 4th day. 3rd या 4th day पे wash करना ही पड़ता था. So I really really like this. Smooth and silky. It does tame the frizz to some extent, but not really that great. So I use 2 shampoos and then I use a hair mask. But this basically I just use it on my scalp. Even if I have oil on my roots, I use another shampoo for that. I just use it for my scalp, just for my dandruff and itchiness and everything, and this works really really well. Next thing, again another random spice. So this is the Kia peri peri mix, and I really like this. It tastes very similar to the McDonald's peri peri. So if you want to give this a try, give it a go. Just do one thing, is remove the whole masala, grind it in a mixture so it becomes a very fine powder, and then you can use it. So this is again a restock. Next up, I got something which I really wanted since a long time. It is this one. So this is the Pond's Light Moisturizer. I really like this formula. I have used this. My friend has this. I've used it from her. I really liked it. Gets absorbed in the skin really well. Not very thin, not very thick. Very decent moisturizing consistency. Very moisturizing. You can use it both at daytime and night. It's non-sticky, non-greasy. It's oily skin tested, so you know this works. I actually wanted a smaller travel size which comes for like 40 rupees, but they didn't have it. So I was like, you know what, I anyway need a moisturizer, so I might as well get this one. I was eyeing this one since a very long time, so I finally managed to get this one. And the last thing is very interesting, which I got are these. So these are microfiber face towels, and I got 4 of them, which are very pretty colors. Okay, I have this lilac, then I have like a pastel yellow color. I don't know if you can catch colors. I have this pastel yellow color, then we have a white and this baby pink. These were for 79 rupees, which is like 80 rupees for 4 towels, which is 20 for each, which is so good. They're really soft. So I'm going to start using them for when I remove my makeup, wash my face and things like that. Really like that. But yeah, basically that is it for the DMart haul and everything that I got today. My hair, you guys saw anyway. This is how they look right now. I think it is how many hours? Let's just say almost 12 hours since I got a haircut, but this is how they look. I really like them. Of course, I told you guys, you know how I just went like a slight U cut, but straight from the bottom, and then I just got flicks. Sorry if I look there, but yeah, that is pretty much it. That is how, you know, I run my errands. I really like such type of vlogs. I might do more, but the thing is I just forget to vlog because I'm like doing stuff. So I don't know, let me know in the comments if you guys like to watch like me running errands and getting stuff done. But anyway, that was it. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.